students, welcome to Tech Pathshala. In this video, we will learn how to program linear search in C. So let's begin. First of all, we import standard input-output file, that is std.io.in, and we will start with main function, which is of integer type. Because it is of integer type, so we have to return some value. In this video, in this program we need to declare some variables. First of all, we will declare array, its name is data and its size is 20. Size of the array would be entered in size variable. Then I'll declare I variable for loop, pose variable for position, okay, and search one more variable. This is a search variable. Okay, then I'll accept so first of all I'll accept the size of the array. So printf enter size of the array. Then I will accept value in that variable. Okay. After accepting the size of the array, I will accept value in the array. I equals to 0, I should be less than size, then I plus plus. For accepting the value in each index of the array, I will write scanf d, then ampersand data at ith location. Accepting size of the array and values in the array, I will accept value for the key value to be searched. So I will write printf. Sorry, it's making mistakes. Typographical mistakes. It's a typographical mistakes. So I will write please enter value to be searched in the array. Scanf function का use करूँगी मैं, and I will accept value in a search variable. And I will create a function. I will call a function called linear underscore search, and I'll pass array, size of the array, then value to be searched, and it will return position. So I have already declared pose value there. If position equals to -1, अगर ये जो फंक्शन मैंने यहाँ पे अप्लाई किया अगर मुझे -1 रिटर्न करता है, that means value is not available in the array. So printf % d, value is not available in the array. So I will write search value. जो मुझे सर्च करना है वो वैल्यू अगर अवेलेबल है तो मुझे ये स्टेटमेंट लिखनी है. एल्स क्या होगा? एल्स printf value to be searched is available at index person D. So यहाँ पर first of all I will write search because first person D जो belong करता है वो search से belong करता है और second जो person D belong करता है that is for positional value, and I will write pos plus 1 because index जो return करेगा वो एक -1 मतलब जो भी लोकेशन होगी उसमें -1 करेगा because array are starting from index 0. So pos plus 1 करूंगी तो वो एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन शो करेगा. ठीक है. Now I will write linear search function. So it has to be returned something. It's a position. If value is found in the array, so it will return a position, and if it does not found the value, so it will return -1. So it has to return some values. So I will write int linear underscore search, and I will create 3 variables in which one is array, then int n, then int search. I will write for loop again equals to 0, I should be less than n, then I plus plus. If array at ith location is equal to search, then simple है. ठीक है, return I हो जाएगा, else जब for loop से बाहर आ जाएगा आने के बाद that will return -1. ठीक है ना. So I'll just build a compile, and there was an error. So let's solve the error. Let me write F2. So error is okay. Sorry, I should write data here. I compiled the program. So I will write, I want to enter the size of the array 5, and I will enter values 23, 24, 21, 23, 21. Now I want to search a value. For example, I will search 24. So it is showing 24 is to be searched is available at index 2. I hope you like this program, and if you like this program, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and press bell icon for more notification. And if you found any doubt or you have any query, please comment on the section below, and hope you see you soon. Thanks.